For this integral question, we can see the numerator only have 2x and the denominator you got x squared plus 1. Before I want to solve this equation, I need to simplify something. The first thing is about the integral of dx over x. The function after the d and the denominator, we have the same thing. We have here is x and this one also be the same. And the result of this question will be absolute value x here, ln of absolute value x. And the next thing I want to solve is the integral of dx in here. You can see that the integral of 2x multiplied dx, this will be equal to x squared. So how can we solve? How can we use these two methods for solving this question? The first step, I need to take the mini integral from 2x inside the dx. 2x inside the dx, you will have dx squared like this one. And the denominator, I keep it unchanged. And the second thing, we can see here dx squared equal to dx squared plus 1. You can try by take the differentiate of x squared and x squared plus 1. You will see the result. And the denominator, we have the same idea. And you can see now the integral expression become to the same thing with the denominator and the expression after d here. This will be the absolute value x squared plus 1. And you got here is ln outside of this expression. And of course, you can add plus c in the last result.